How to raise cash for a tiny low business. Tiny Business Administration Deposit for Triple Crown. Tiny business expansions and new formations lead the approach in making new markets, innovations and jobs that fuel economic process and prosperity. In recognition of the importance of tiny business to a powerful economy, the U.S. Tiny Business Administration (SBA) helps meet the knowledge wants of existing business homeowners and aspiring entrepreneurs. We have a tendency to concentrate on the facts meets your wants, and that we invite your comments and queries. Your success in business depends on what you recognize and the way well you'll apply what you have got learned. Raising cash. One key to a Triple Crown business startup and enlargement is your ability to get and secure acceptable funding. Raising capital is the most simple of all business activities. However, as several Entrepreneurs United Nations Agency area units simply starting quickly discover, raising capital might not be straightforward. It will be a fancy and frustrating method. However, if you're knowing, well ready and have planned effectively, raising cash for your business won't be a scrupulous expertise. This info outline focuses on the ways in which any low business will raise cash and describes the way to prepare a loan proposal. Wherever to seek out the cash you would like. Their area unit many sources to think about once trying to find funding. It's vital that you just explore all of your choices before creating a choice. Personal savings. Most new businesses area units started with the first supply of capital returning from personal savings and different sorts of personal equity. Friends and relatives. Several entrepreneurs look to personal sources like friends and family once beginning move into a business venture. Oftentimes, cash is loaned at no interest, or with low interest, which may be useful once obtaining started. Risk capital firms. These corporations offer initial startup and different required cash for brand new firms in exchange for equity or half possession. Banks and credit unions. The foremost common supply of funding. Banks and credit unions can offer a loan if you'll show that your business is sound. Borrowing cash. It's typically aforementioned that tiny business individuals have a tough time borrowing cash. This is often not essentially true. Banks area unit within the business to create cash, and also the approach they create cash is by loaning cash. However, it's the ignorance of tiny business homeowners in money matters that prompts several tiny bank loan requests to be turned down. To achieve success in getting a loan, you need to be ready and arranged. You need to grasp specifically what proportion cash you would like, why you would like it, and the way you'll pay it back. You need to be ready to convert your investor that you just area unit an honest credit risk. Requesting a loan after you aren't properly ready makes a press release to your investor. That statement is high-risk, short-run loans, loans that area unit paid back in but 1 year. Kinds of short-term loans include capital loans, assets loans, lines of credit, revolving credit line, long loans, loans with maturities bigger than 1 year, however sometimes but 7 years. These loans area unit used for major business expansions, purchases of realty, acquisitions and in some instances startup prices. Kinds of long loans include plant and instrumentation, business mortgages, term loans, vehicle. The way to write a loan proposal. Approval of your loan request depends on however well you gift yourself, your business and your money master investor. Remember, lenders need to create loans, however they need to create sensible loans, loans they grasp are going to be repaid. The simplest thanks to improve your probabilities of getting a loan is to arrange a written loan proposal. An honest loan proposal can contain the subsequent key elements: general info, business name, name of principals, tiny business.